Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of this channel. Today we'll talk about something like this SAP script. You know why SAP script is important? Very few people use it, and majorly it's used for financial ones. I guess financial documents are moved from script to majority to the financial Adobes. Many of them missed the smart form improvement, so still a lot of people uses check and the script for the check printing. So that's why this is an incident. This is a scenario. We'll talk about script and communication between script and a program. Before I start, wanted to tell you that there was a delay. Last few days I couldn't do a video. I have very less viewers, very less subscribers, but they are golden. They don't miss any of the videos. You guys inspire me a lot. Thank you so much. Please comment any issues you face. I'll make a video about them. Now let's begin about the topic which I wanted to discuss with you guys. So this is an example which I wanted to share. As an example, you have a SAP script which you want to which you have a window where you need to call a program. You need to do some calculation in the program and get it back. Or maybe it's a select query, maybe there is some additional processing or something that you need to do and get it back into the SAP script and print it there. Let's talk how we will do. Consider here is a sample script. You have to call this program and there is a perform get data. What you have to do is consider you are passing the VBELN. So you have to write the name of the VBELN variable. It may be VBAK, VBELN, I don't know, whatever is there on the loop which you're printing in the main window, or maybe anywhere else. You have to write. This one is always same for ABAP calculations. Whichever is passing to there, it's using, and then the variable name. Don't write along here, it won't work. Use separate line for each of the parameters, each of the using, each of the changing, and then conclude the perform by end perform. Now you can print with whatever type you want. You can write whatsoever type it is, and then write your variable. Like for this case, it will be v underscore name 1, right? And so I think that will do. It will print this return variable. Now you think that this part is done. You can call a program and try to get the return from there. But what to write in the program? Yes, I do have solution for that one also. Let's go to the code. What exactly the code says, let's see it. Here's the code. Technically what happens is there's a structure. The inline data type is ITCSY. In tab is the table of the structure ITCSY that goes in. Out tab is the table of ITCSY structure which comes out to the SAP script. So if you this ITCSY structure has two parts, name and value. In the name you can pass the name of the variable, and value you add the value of the variable. Consider I'll give an example of the same. So the in tab will have this v underscore VBELN as the name, and the value of the order or number of the order, like order number, will be the value of the field. Similarly for out tab, whatever you do calculations, I'll go down and show you what exactly here is done. It's SPFLI table query, and then read that item table return index 1. If it's found, then put the char ID, and the logic is not relevant here. Just the point is you have to put the value as whatever you wish to pass to the SAP script, and you can put I'll write that one also. Name would be, consider like LV underscore, what was there, v underscore name 1, v underscore name 1, right? So this will do. So this line of the out tab will have name v underscore name 1, and the value will be the ls-char id value, whatever was that, I don't know. So this is how the out tab is created, and it has the values which the script can read. Now once the end perform is hit, this out tab is here, so all the variables are here. So you wish to print those variables, just write your line type and write the variable. You can use your syntax and character types, that's also fine, but the normal print will do all the way. So it's the easiest way to take here and there the values, because there is some calculation that you need programs help sometimes, the financial part at least. That was all for today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, thank you so much for watching our channel, and if you like, then please do subscribe. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.